Welcome to this Advanced Foot Reflexology video. I am so pleased that the FHT have joined me and have asked for me to provide CPD video excerpts of our Advanced Reflexology course. So a big thank you to the Federation of Holistic Therapists for giving me this opportunity. The excerpt shows you many different techniques you can actually evolve into for doing advanced techniques. Now you need to be a level 3 qualified reflexologist before you attempt any of these, and you also need to make sure that your client doesn't have any specific contraindications. So these could be medical contraindications, localized or total contraindications. Make sure that hygiene measures are adhered to, as for example sanitizing the feet and also sanitizing your hands and washing your hands. Sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy this video. For this advanced reflexology routine, we're going to be showing you 4 very simple techniques that you can use on your clients. This is specifically for reflexologists. So if you want to create really firm pressure with your clients, that'll be one of the techniques. Another technique we'll be looking at will also be precision, holding 2 points at the same time. We'll also be looking at light techniques and then using our body weight as well. So one of the first really simple techniques I wanted to show you would be when we work through the chest area. Now with advanced reflexology, we don't want to put strain on our hands. So all we're going to do is when we bend our thumb, we lean in and we can bring the foot into the bent thumb. So in real time, it would be demonstrated bending the thumb and straightening, bending the thumb and straightening, and the same with bending the foot and straightening. So this is all we're doing as we work the chest area, and that can create firmer pressure because when I bend my thumb, I'm leaning in and I'm bending the foot in the same time. And in order to create a much more intense opportunity with your client, what you would be doing is you would be doing this with the breath. Now, all of these moves came about when me and my husband used to do tango dancing. And I brought this into my reflexology and thought we need more connection with our client. So we could actually be not just doing a routine, but we would actually connect on a deeper level with our clients. So that was the whole purpose of these routines. So if you do have a client that likes to have a deeper, more intentional routine, you have to think about your intention for that particular move. What's the intention you want to bring to your client? Okay, and then when you do the move, use your whole body weight to lean in and out. And then you can bring your body weight in and bend their foot and lean out. Bending in and leaning out. So that would have worked the whole chest area. And what I haven't done is I haven't actually had to just use my thumb, which is what we're normally taught when we're learning reflexology. So this is specifically advanced techniques. The next thing I wanted to show you was working the spine. This is a common area that people understand how to work. And generally what I've seen over the years is people, however you do it, it doesn't matter, but I've seen people tend to work either like this or like this. And what I want to do is create more precision so you can get really in touch with your client, and you don't then have to actually use your thumb to create problems. So we're going to go at a smaller pace, okay, and we're going to bend our thumb as we bend the foot, and then we let go. We're going to bend the thumb as we bend the foot and let go. And you do this with the client and your breath. So you become one with the client and not separate from them. So you're going to do that bending and straightening of the foot with the client's breath and your breath. So you become totally immersed and at one with the client. All right, see how slow, see how each individual vertebrae I'm working up as I go up. Okay, and during the whole of this, there's no need to even look down at the client's feet. You can actually watch their face as you're going through this. Remember, you're breathing with the client's breath and you're moving the foot and bending your thumb at the same time as their breath. Okay, and then when we get to the toe, all we've got to do is bend the toe into the bent thumb. It's as simple as that. So we feel each vertebrae as we go up the cervicals and all the areas of the spine. Now that's quite a firm technique that we've worked, and it was a firm technique that we worked on the chest and also on the spine area. Now the next thing we need to be aware of is linking two areas together. And when we think about linking, we're thinking, well, why are we linking two areas? Now we can link, most people know the pituitary is that and the adrenals is this. Now when you know about the different hormones that are being released, you could say, okay, I want to create more of a stronger effect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the pituitary to release more adrenocorticotrophin. That hormone then goes to the adrenals, and then we could press the adrenals at the same time. You can do it either very lightly or you could press firmer, and with intention we just hold it there to create a linking technique. And this is done to actually intensify the hormones that are being released. Now we can also do that with both feet being worked. So as I come back here, if I wanted to do a larger area for linking, all I would do is I could hold the toes, okay, just for calming the head. It's very simple. And then I could let go very easily. It's a very, very light area for a light treatment to be done. And that's another way of linking one foot with another. A beautiful one I personally love, which doesn't look much, but it's incredibly powerful, is Endocrine Balance. Okay, and now for Endocrine Balance, there are chakras all the way down the spine. And you could be chakra balancing. In some books it's known as endocrine balancing. And very lightly, all we do is we put the hands over this area where the spine lies, and then slowly we lift up and allow the hands to hover. Now this is incredibly powerful, so never underestimate the power of what is actually being done, because the energy that's flowing through from the hands is working in circular motion through all the chakras. And it's a lovely, beautiful treatment to actually end this session with. Thank you so much for watching the Advanced Foot Reflexology for reflexologists. In this video, once you've finished working on your client the advanced reflexology techniques, I would suggest that you go wash your hands and sanitize them, and you get your client to have a glass of water alongside you. I would also suggest that your client doesn't zoom off into a car or anything like that, and for the rest of the day they take it easy and try to drink at least 2 litres of water during the day and stay off any stimulating substances like alcohol and caffeine. Enjoy, sit back and relax after this beautiful treatment.